Elements. An element is a pure substance which cannot be broken into two or more pure substances by chemical means. There are 118 elements known to man which have been placed systematically in a table called periodic table. Elements are further divided into metals, non-metals and noble gases. We have learned previously that various states of matter exist due to different arrangement of molecules in them. Now we will learn that molecules are not the smallest particle of matter, but it is an atom which is smallest particle of matter. An atom is the smallest particle of an element, which may or may not have independent existence, but always takes part in a chemical reaction. All elements are made up of atoms. Atoms of an element are similar to each other, while atoms of different elements differ from each other. Of the 118 elements, 94 occur naturally on Earth. 6 of these occur in extreme trace quantities: technetium, promethium, astatine, francium, neptunium, and plutonium. These 94 elements have been detected in the universe at large, in the spectra of stars and also supernovae, where short-lived elements are newly being made. The first 94 elements have been detected directly on Earth, present from the formation of the solar system, or as naturally occurring uranium and thorium. Atoms of chemically pure elements may bond to each other chemically in more than one way, allowing the pure element to exist in multiple chemical structures, spatial arrangements of atoms, known as allotropes, which differ in their properties. For example, carbon can be found as diamond, graphite, graphene, which is a single layer of graphite that is very strong, fullerenes, which have nearly spherical shapes, and carbon nanotubes. O atom plus O atom gives O2 molecule. N atom plus N atom gives N2 molecule. H atom plus H atom gives H2 molecule. Here is a table showing the first 20 elements of the periodic table. Atomic number, symbol, element: 1 H, hydrogen; 2 He, helium; 3 Li, lithium; 4 Be, beryllium; 5 B, boron; 6 C, carbon; 7 N, nitrogen; 8 O, oxygen; 9 F, fluorine; 10 Ne, neon; 11 Na, sodium; 12 Mg, magnesium; 13 Al, aluminium; 14 Si, silicon; 15 P, phosphorus; 16 S, sulfur; 17 Cl, chlorine; 18 Ar, argon; 19 K, potassium; 20. Ca. Calcium. Symbols of elements. Symbols are representation of elements by using one or two alphabet. Writing complete names of elements and compounds is time-consuming, but symbols are easy to remember and quick to write. Berzelius did pioneering work in this field, and today we name elements adopting his method. Long back, symbols used to be pictorial. To represent hydrogen, one wrote, and for oxygen, symbols of some elements on this basis are given here. Nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, zinc, mercury. Rules of writing symbols. Symbols of some elements are derived from the first letter of their English names, and they are represented by capital letter. Table showing symbols derived from the first letter of their English name. Elements. Symbols. Hydrogen, H. Carbon, C. Oxygen, O. Phosphorus, P. Sulfur, S. Iodine, I. If two or more elements have names beginning with the same letter, then one more letter is added to the first letter, and second letter will be small. Table showing symbols derived from two letters of their English name. Elements. Symbols. Helium, He. Magnesium, Mg. Manganese, Mn. Aluminium, Al. Silicon, Si. Chlorine, Cl. Chromium, Cr. Calcium, Ca. Cobalt, Co. Zinc, Zn. Symbols of some elements are derived from their Latin names. Table showing symbols derived from their Latin name. Elements. Symbols. English, Latin. Sodium, natrium, Na. Potassium, kalium, K. Iron, ferrum, Fe. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Silver, argentum, Ag. Gold, aurum, Au. Mercury, hydrargyrum, Hg. Lead, plumbum, Pb. Some elements are named after the country from where they were discovered, or after the person who discovered them. Americium, Am. Europium, Eu, are named after the country where they were discovered, but nobelium, No, and Einsteinium, Es, have been named after the scientist who discovered them. You can immortalize your name by discovering an element which will be named after you. Think about it. Symbol can be defined as a short form or abbreviated name of an element. Chemical symbol represents the number of atoms in one molecule of the element. This is called atomicity. Table showing few elements with their atomicity and formulae. Elements. Chemical atomicity. Helium, He. 1. Monoatomic. Sodium, Na. 1. Monoatomic. Potassium, K. 1. Monoatomic. Calcium, Ca. 1. Monoatomic. Hydrogen, H2. 2. Diatomic. Nitrogen, N2. 2. Diatomic. Chlorine, Cl2. 2. Diatomic. Ozone, O3. 3. Triatomic.